Are you struggling to manage your finances and looking for the perfect budgeting app to help you stay on track? In this video, we will discuss the top 5 budgeting apps for 2023 that can help you gain control of your money, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. In today's video, I will provide an in-depth review and comparison of Mint, You Need a Budget, YNAB, Pocket Guard, Every Dollar, and Good Budget so that you can choose the right app for your unique financial needs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's dive in. 1. Mint by Intuit. Mint is a comprehensive, free budgeting app designed to help users gain control over their personal finances. By securely linking to various financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios, Mint provides users with a holistic overview of their financial situation. Key features of Mint include automatic transaction categorization. Mint's algorithms categorize your transactions, enabling you to monitor your spending habits across multiple categories such as groceries, rent, and entertainment. Customizable budgets. Users can create budgets tailored to their specific needs and financial goals, with the ability to adjust spending limits for each category. Bill reminders and alerts. To help users avoid late fees and penalties, Mint provides bill reminders and alerts for upcoming due dates. Free credit score. Mint offers users access to their credit score, along with tips on how to improve it. Financial goal setting. The app allows users to set and track customized financial goals, such as saving for a down payment or paying off debt. Investment tracking. Mint enables users to monitor their investments and analyze their portfolio's performance. 2. You Need a Budget, YNAB. YNAB is a subscription-based budgeting app that follows a zero-based budgeting approach, ensuring that every dollar of income is assigned a specific purpose. This app is designed to help users develop disciplined spending habits and achieve their financial goals. Key features of YNAB include direct transaction import. YNAB imports transactions directly from users' bank accounts, allowing for real-time tracking and categorization of spending. Customizable categories. Users can create and modify categories to suit their individual needs and preferences. Goal tracking. YNAB enables users to set and monitor financial goals related to savings, debt repayment, or other objectives. Educational resources. YNAB provides access to a wealth of personal finance resources, such as articles, videos, and workshops, to help users improve their financial literacy. Community support. Users can join a supportive community of fellow YNAB users, sharing experiences and advice to help each other achieve their financial goals. Multi-platform availability. YNAB is accessible on various platforms, including web, iOS, and Android devices. 3. Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is a user-friendly budgeting app that focuses on helping users manage their spending by showing them how much money is available after accounting for bills, savings, and other expenses. Key features of Pocket Guard include real-time transaction syncing. Pocket Guard syncs with users' financial accounts to provide up-to-date transaction tracking. Automatic categorization. The app categorizes transactions, allowing users to analyze their spending habits and identify potential areas for improvement. Customizable spending limits. Users can set spending limits for different categories to help control their expenses. In My Pocket feature. Pocket Guard calculates the amount of money available for discretionary spending, taking into account all bills, savings, and other expenses. Expense reduction insights. The app offers suggestions and insights to help users reduce expenses and save money. Recurring bill tracking. Pocket Guard monitors recurring bills, ensuring users are aware of their ongoing financial commitments. 4. Every Dollar. Every Dollar is a zero-based budgeting app created by personal finance expert Dave Ramsey. The app offers both a free version and a paid version, Every Dollar Plus, which includes additional features. Key features of Every Dollar include simple budget creation. Every Dollar guides users through the process of assigning every dollar of income to specific spending or saving categories. Automatic transaction syncing. The paid version of the app offers automatic syncing of transactions with users' bank accounts for real-time tracking and categorization. Goal tracking. Every Dollar enables users to set and monitor short-term and long-term financial objectives. Access to Dave Ramsey's Baby Steps. Every Dollar users have access to Dave Ramsey's Baby Steps, a series of actionable steps designed to help users achieve financial stability and eliminate debt. 5. Multi-platform compatibility. Every Dollar is available across multiple platforms, including web, iOS, and Android devices, allowing users to manage their finances on the go. 5. Good Budget. Good Budget is a budgeting app based on the envelope budgeting system, a traditional method of allocating income to various spending categories using virtual envelopes. The app offers both a free version with limited features and a paid version that includes additional functionality. Key features of Good Budget include virtual envelopes. Good Budget allows users to allocate their income to various spending categories using virtual envelopes, making it easy to see how much money is available for each category. Manual entry or automatic import of transactions. Users can manually enter transactions or, with the paid version, automatically import them from their bank accounts for more efficient tracking. Customizable categories and envelopes. Good Budget enables users to create and modify categories and envelopes to suit their unique financial needs and goals. Goal tracking. The app allows users to set and monitor financial goals related to savings, debt repayment, and other objectives. Reports and charts. Good Budget provides visual representations of users' spending habits and progress toward financial goals through reports and charts. Debt payoff tracking. The app helps users create a plan for paying off debt and monitor their progress over time. Cross-platform compatibility. Good Budget is available on various platforms, including the web, iOS, and Android devices, allowing users to manage their finances from any device. Now that you have an in-depth understanding of the top 5 budgeting apps, Mint, YNAB, Pocket Guard, Every Dollar, and Good Budget, you can choose the best app for your unique financial needs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite budgeting app or any questions you may have. Start your journey to financial freedom today.